10 years ago, bought a house here in Tierra del Sol. We have used Willy's pool service from day one. Service is impeccable. Customer service is impeccable. Everybody on this island should use Willy's pool. I am a very happy customer, and everybody else who uses Willy's pool will be a happy customer as well. Good morning again from sunny Aruba. This is John Apicella. I reside here in Tierra del Sol. I am a customer of Willy's Pool's service, which is impeccable. Their customer service, the way they treat me, their customers, the way they service the pool, as I will show you. Not only do they come when you need them right away, but just take a look at this crystal clear water. It is like this all the time. So I say to everybody on this island, Willy's Pool is #1 and should be called on immediately. Enjoy.